Yesterday, he was a nobody. Today, he is front page news.
Your name?
Brad. Little Brad Jr.
And is there a Big Brad? Who is he?
He's my father.
A man too dangerous to get close to. A boy too dazzled to break away. Sean Penn is Brad Whitewood Jr., a live wire kid in a dead-end town, yearning for a family he's never known.
Hi.
Oh, I'm Terry.
You have a really nice smile.
Thanks.
Guess you must have heard about me.
I heard you's a thief.
Well, some folks, I'm just the devil in blue suede shoes.
Hundreds? 20.
When I married him, he had the biggest eyes you ever saw.
What do you think?
Beautiful.
And he courted me like a regular gentleman.
Don't never say I've done nothing for you.
He found the father to idolize, the girl to love. Now he has to find himself.
I gotta see something in you. The caretaker's light just went on. I gotta see you got something.
Oh, Brad.
Don't move at all.
Don't even think about it.
Tell me about your uncle. Will he really take us?
His land goes on forever. And they got jobs there, too. I love you, huh?
What's my son saying?
Terry and I are leaving. We're getting out of here.
They haven't really started on it yet.
Somebody got killed.
You know too much, you think too much, you talk too much. That's it.
I want no part of this.
Dad, is this the pen you used?
I gave you money, I gave you a car, I took you in. But don't that mean something?
Family gun, Dad.
I love you. Is that what you want to hear?
I love you too, Dad.
Sean Penn, Christopher Walken. Like father, like son, like hell. At close range.